Abuela Judy teaches ¿Quién es la profesora? Hola clase. Hola, me llamo Judy. ¿Cómo se llama? Means what does she or he call him or herself? In English, we usually say what's his name or what's her name. So, ¿cómo se llama? What does she or he call him or herself? If you want to then answer, my name is, instead of saying se llama, we just say me llamo. Me llamo. Let me go ahead and put that on a board here. Me llamo. And then your name. Me llamo. I call myself, and then what your name is here. So me llamo means I call myself, or my name is. In English, we say my name is. I call myself. My name is. Okay, don't get confused. We don't want to say me llamo es. We just say me llamo and then with our name when you want to say what your name is. Okay, so today we are going to learn some other vocabulary, and I'll go over it with you. First of all, we want to start with some question words. ¿Qué means what? ¿Quién means who? And ¿cuándo means when? Now, just a little grammar point, you'll notice that there are accents on some of the vowels. When you have a question, when you use this word as a question, you put the accent on it and when you're writing, so you know that it's a question. And then a unique thing in Spanish is they have a question mark, an upside down question mark at the beginning of questions. Okay, so we'll be going over that. Then we'll also be going over I. Notice the H is silent. So we have I, there is, or there are. I, everybody pronounce that? I. Repite, repeat. I. Okay. Oso is the word for bear. He's going to be part of our day today. Oso, bear. El oso would be the bear. And the O at the end lets you know that it's a masculine. Estudiante is the word for student. It looks similar kind of to English. Estudiante. So repeat that. Repite. Estudiante. Bien. Repite. Oso. Bien. Repite. I. Bien. Maestra means teacher. And then a word that is also very close is profesora. So I'll write that here. Profesora. You can see profesora. That also means teacher. This is for upper grades most of the time. And if it's a masculine, if it's a male, you leave off the A. Profesor. Repite. Profesora. So if you're in high school, junior high, you would say profesora. You can still say maestra. For a female teacher, with the A at the end, maestro would be for a masculine, for a man teacher. Maestro and maestra is used in elementary school predominantly. All right. Then another vocabulary is soy. Soy, all by itself, means I am. Okay. In English, we have the two words. In Spanish, they just say soy. I am. And then es can either mean she is or he is. So I have this slash here just to let you know that it could be either or. Es could mean he is or she is. And eres is you are. So repite. Soy. Sí. Es. Bien. Eres. Bien. Okay. And then repite one more time. ¿Cómo se llama? Notice the double L is silent. Excuse me. Let's put it over here. ¿Cómo se llama? Notice the double L sounds like a Y. Repite. ¿Cómo se llama? Bien. Now, when I ask a question, I usually raise my voice at the end. So you have to listen for that, whether I'm making a statement. Se llama Judy. Her name is Judy. She calls herself Judy. Or, ¿cómo se llama? Hear the raised voice at the end. ¿Cómo se llama? What's her name? So, we'll listen for those things. Muy bien. Okay. So what I'm going to do, that's enough for the English right now. I want to try and do everything in Spanish, and I will point. And you need to listen for my raised voice to mean a question, and a straight voice or goes down at the end to make a statement. And one of the things on this is you need to be sure you're responding. I know it's video, but you need to be repeating these things and responding so that you end up actually speaking it and getting your tongue used to it. So please be sure and do that. Okay. Soy maestra. Soy maestra. What did I say? Sí, I am a teacher. English we have the Spanish they don't need it at this point. Soy maestra. Now, I will ask questions. And to begin with, I'm going to basically say yes and no questions. Okay? So if you want to say yes, you say sí. Sí is yes. And real easy, no is no. Okay? So your questions, the questions that I ask will either have a yes or no answer. And no. Sí, yes, or no? No. All right. So first of all, I make a statement. It's kind of like a game we play. So when I make a statement, my voice will go down, and it's your responsibility as class to respond to me. Okay, that is your way of getting involved. So when I make a statement, I want you to just go, if you're understanding it, I want you to just go, ah, oh, you're having some interest in it, okay? So here's a statement, just to let you know. Soy maestra. Ah, you respond because I said I am a teacher. Okay, I am a teacher. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask a question about that. This is how I would ask the question. Soy maestra? Did you hear my voice go up? Soy maestra? What was my question? Am I a teacher? Am I a teacher? My voice went up. What's the question? Notice it's reversed. It's still in Spanish. It still says soy. In English, we would reverse it. Am I? In Spanish, they don't do that part. So, soy maestra. I make the statement with a raised voice, and now it becomes a question. So here, you then would answer sí or no. Okay, so let's try that. Soy maestra. Sí, sí, soy maestra. That was my voice down, okay? Soy oso? No. Am I a bear? No, okay? Soy oso? Notice my voice go up? No. Soy maestra. And you would say, ah, right? So when it was soy oso, you say no. Soy maestra? Sí, sí. Soy maestra. Ah. So you're listening very carefully to the voice being raised for a question. So you have a sí or a no answer, or the voice being straight down or lowered at the end where it's a statement, and then you're going to go, ah. I know it seems kind of silly to be doing that, but get involved in it, okay? Get involved. All right. Now, there is another word that I want to teach you, and that is the word or. Let's see here. O. Just the word O, all by itself, means or. Now sometimes I'll ask you a yes or no answer question, and you will answer sí or no, but sometimes I'll give you an or question, and then you have to make the statement of whether I'm one or the other, okay? O is what I would say. So let's see if you can do this one. ¿Soy estudiante? No. No soy estudiante. Soy maestra. Ah. No soy estudiante. Soy maestra. Ah. I'm not, no soy, I'm not a student. Soy, I am, maestra, a teacher. Okay? So let's get an either or question, all right? So, here we go. Soy estudiante o, remember what o means, o, soy maestra. So your answer should have been maestra. Now, I didn't ask for a complete sentence. I just asked for you to answer what I was. Soy estudiante o soy maestra. All you have to do is give me a one-word answer. You would say maestra because I'm a teacher. Soy maestra. Now, if you wanted to do a complete sentence, and you're trying to really work it in there, you could have said, eres maestra. You are a teacher. Eres means you are. Maestra, you are a teacher. Okay? So, let's see. I've got three choices. You can do a yes or no question, or I can do an either or question. So you have to listen carefully. Okay? Soy oso? No, no soy oso. Eres maestra. You could have answered me, no eres oso, you are not a bear. No eres oso. Eres maestra. You are a teacher. Okay. So here's a question. Soy estudiante o, I'm going to put my hand that way, o, for meaning or, soy maestra. Soy estudiante o, or, soy maestra. Correcto. Eres maestra. You are a teacher is what you could say. Or you could have just said maestra. Maestra. Muy bien.